Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tech tip. This week, we're going to focus on how to create an open house landing page using your KW website. So right now, I am on my KW website, and in order for you to do this, you would first have to have a property to do the open house with, right? So I suggest when you get to your website, right here on the search bar, search for the property address of the home you're going to do the open house in. So let's say, for example, this is the home that I'm doing the open house on. I'm going to click on it, and here you'll see all of the images. When you scroll down, you see all of the property information, and it's pulling this information directly from the MLS. Now, what you want to do is scroll all the way to the top, and you'll see the URL. Click to go at the end of the URL, type in the /open house, then click enter. And now what's happening is my website just generated a open house landing page for me right then and there. So if you look at the page, the people that's coming into the open house can now view this. And when you scroll down, you'll see welcome to, and it'll have the property address and the property details. It is going to prompt them to enter in their first name, last name, email, and phone number. Once they click submit, it is then going to take them to another page where it's going to show a QR code. Once they scan that QR code, it's going to take them directly to your app link or your KW website, where they are now going to get all of the property information of this home. You as the agent are going to get a lead notification on your command with this person's information. So what you can do now is this URL right here at the top. Now you can get this URL and create a QR code, put it on a piece of paper, print it out, have that posted on in your open house, so that when people come in, they can just scan it with their phone, sign into the open house, and there you have it. If you haven't tried this out, I suggest you to go ahead and try this out. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.